Keep your hips and knees into 90-90 position. Rest comfortably in side line. Arms spread out, stretched out at shoulder level like this. Now raise your upper arm and take it behind your back while turning your torso. Try to touch the palm on the floor and come back. The rest of the body should be relaxed and your knee should not get off the floor, or the upper knee should not get off the lower knee. Both the knees remain in contact of each other and in contact with the floor while you try to stretch the arm and touch on the floor behind your back and back. Keep moving and keep breathing. Do not hold your breath either.